Most videos that show you how to create consistent characters often require paid subscriptions to Midjourney, DALL-E, or LeonardoAI. I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters for free that look like this, and this, and this. So let's get into it. First, go to your web browser and search for Tensor Art. After creating an account, Tensor has an insane amount of AI tools built into its platform, such as face swapping, the ability to create and put on tattoos on pictures, and of course, lots of different models to create consistent characters, which is the focus of this video. But they also offer standard tools such as image generation, creating logos, in-painting, which other competitors have as well. To create a consistent character for free, navigate to the Models tab on the left. This section has an almost unlimited amount of different models to choose from, and most of them run on Stable Diffusion. I'm going to stick with the recommended models, but if you're someone who likes to tweak with your image generations, you can click on the filter in the top right corner and select the different model that you want. There's also a number of different customization options, but if you're very specific on what type of Stable Diffusion model you want to use, you can select it here. When you find a model that you like, click on it and you'll be brought to the next page. You'll see a selection of sample images which can give you inspiration. But the cool thing about Tensor Art is the site is community-based, meaning some of the models are managed by community users, and for this model in particular, not only can you download it, but it can be used to create images without crediting the owner, and there's no commercial use restrictions. Not every model is like this. If that's something that worries you, it's great that there are consistent character models that don't have any restrictions on them. Just find the one that works best for you and your situation. You can write your prompt in the bottom right corner, and there are image settings that you can bring up in order to make further tweaks. Tensor Art generates 2 images at a time on the free plan. I found it pretty quick actually to generate photos as well, so that's a plus. You'll notice after the images are generated, there's a number of icons when you highlight the image, which gives you options to in-paint, download, or make other changes. If you click on the Send to Image icon, this opens up your image in another screen, and I've been experimenting with a few here. You're provided with a number of different options on the left in order to tweak your settings further, and if you wanted to redo your prompt, you could do that. You could add negative prompt as well. It includes the seed number if that's something that you need for further consistency. And if you were generating images and you found that the model wasn't working for you, you can just simply click on the model itself. And I have this searching for Pixar images by default, but I'll get rid of that. And you can just search through all of the different models that you want to select. You could just go ahead and click on the one that you want. It automatically brings it up, and then you click generate, and you're now creating a new set of images. Once you've created your consistent character and you've got the look nailed down, it really comes down to just creating new images with different poses and facial expressions and background scenes. This does require some patience and experimenting to get it right, but it's fairly easy to do in Tensor Art. Here's a number of images that I made using consistent character models that were focused on realism to create AI influencers, Pixar 3D animated characters, and ones with a GTA 6 style aesthetic to them, which was only done in a few clicks. For more mature content, if you highlight the icon in the top right corner and click on Settings, there's a toggle to turn on for mature content. You can go back to the Models tab and select the character models that'll create that kind of mature content. To keep things family friendly, I won't show you that in this video, but they are definitely there. And as a bonus, there's an app for iOS and Android devices so you can take your creativity on the go. Out of the majority of image generators out there, I'm impressed with the scale and usability of Tensor Art to create consistent characters with such minimal effort. The ease of use empowers more people to get creative, and the best part is Tensor Art gives you 100 credits a day for free to make images with their consistent character models. You can certainly upgrade to their paid plans, but it's not necessary at all. Will you switch from Midjourney, DALL-E, or LeonardoAI and start using Tensor Art? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more on how to create consistent characters, I have content popping up which you can click on right here.